Hello YouTube. This is taking place in October of 2022. It has to do with roe deer in Russia and how they're becoming zombies. The roe deer, or Capreolus, also known as the roe, western roe deer and European roe, is a species of deer. The male of the species is sometimes referred to as a roebuck. The roe is a small deer, reddish and gray-brown, and well adapted to cold environments. The species is widespread in Europe, from the Mediterranean to Scandinavia, from Scotland to the Caucasus, and also in east to northern Iran and Iraq. Veterinarians found about 30 distraught roe deer infected with an unknown disease in the Dalmatovsky and Shadrinsky districts of the Kurgan region. The Kurgan region is located in southern Russia and is part of the Ural Federal District. It shares borders with the Chelyabinsk Oblast to the west, Sverdlovsk Oblast to the northwest, Tyumen Oblast to the northeast, and Kazakhstan to the south. Local hunters claim that they first noticed strange-looking and behaving animals back in the spring, but these were isolated cases. By mid-autumn, there were more infected. A veterinarian identified patients, so to say, took samples from them, and sent the material to the laboratory. Sick roe deer bleed and pus from their eyes, and drool and foam flow from their mouths. Infected animals behave atypically. They run around in circles and convulse. In the comments of people who had observed them and talked on the social medias, they were dubbed as zombie roe deer. Doctors have put forward a theory or hypothesis that the strange behavior of animals is associated with poisoning with agricultural pesticides, but there is no confirmation of it as yet. The situation is of concern. The pathogen can be dangerous. The first deputy chairman of the State Duma Committee, that's parliament in Russia, on ecology and environmental protection, Vladimir Burmatov, told this to the radio station Говорит Москва. So far we have only these messages and videos. From my point of view, this is potentially a very dangerous situation. It is necessary to promptly study the etiology of this disease, its origin, symptoms, and contagiousness. And of course to ensure the localization of those animals that are infected or are in the zone of infection. Place them in quarantine and in no case destroy them. Give the opportunity to veterinarians, infectious disease specialists. Rossельхознадзор, or the Federal Service for Veterinary and Phytosanitary Supervision specialists, need to work with them. I say again, this is potentially a very disturbing message. Regardless of the severity of the symptoms of the disease, its lethality, it should be carefully studied to understand what the region is facing. The most important thing is where this attack came from there. We will now work with the Rossельхознадзор Territorial Division to ensure that everything be efficient and humane at the same time, because innocent individuals should not suffer, and at the same time the life and health of citizens should not be at risk, because we do not know if this disease can be transmitted from animal to human or not, and healthy individuals should be safe. The order there is as follows: capture, quarantine, study, analysis, and qualified conclusions. This should be done not by random people, and certainly not by poachers who will just put everyone there, but by specialists of relevant departments. You see earlier a video with roe deer that were infected with an unknown disease was published on the internet. The animals are foaming at the mouth, walking in circles and convulsing. According to veterinarians, they encounter this behavior if the even-toed ungulates, that's how they refer to the species, for the first time, specialists took samples and sent them to the laboratory for examination. As reported in social network channel, there are about 30 sick individuals. I'll keep you updated about this, and as you know, I bring you stories about strange behavior in animals, and from time to time, and I'll bring more. If you can support my research, please find the link in the description to this video. Please tell others, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.